We were really fortunate today. We got a visit from some of the local elk here. It's Mother's Day, and I felt honored. The elk were reintroduced to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park in western North Carolina starting in 2001 after a 200-year absence, and they are thriving. They're pretty unafraid of humans, but we keep our distance, because truthfully, nobody wants to get their butt kicked by a gang of hungry juvenile elk. They come by right after we've planted in the spring. We put our flowers and wildflowers and seeds and my tomatoes and peppers. And they come by to have basically a Mother's Day buffet. They're greatly loved by the people who live in this area, and they're protected. One naughty guy even got actually into the bed just to see what he could get. They hung around for a couple of hours and they charmed us as they usually do. We feel very fortunate.